Ordering your favorite Domino's pizza is even sweeter when you can use a gift card to pay. First, head over to Domino's.com or open their mobile app. You'll want to start building your perfect pizza by choosing your crust, sauce, toppings, and any sides or drinks you fancy. Once your order is complete, click the checkout button. This will take you to the order summary page where you can review everything and prepare to pay. Now, look for the gift card payment option. You'll see a field to enter your gift card number and a PIN if one is required. Carefully enter your Domino's gift card number and PIN. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it processes correctly. Once you've entered the details, click Apply. You'll see the gift card amount automatically deducted from your total, making your pizza even more affordable. If there's any remaining balance, you can pay that with another payment method. Then simply click Place Order and get ready for deliciousness. And just like that, you've successfully used your Domino's gift card to order a fantastic pizza. Enjoy!